Step 1. Before starting, please make sure internet connection is available in VTH. Press QR code. For the first time, press OK to create a VTH account. Enable cloud. Set the password for VTH account. It is required when adding VTH to the MSS. Step 2. Here take another VTH model as an example. Press QR code. Press the MSS to get the QR code. Open the MSS. Press Add. SN Scan. Scan the QR code on VTH. Fill in the device information. Device name. And password. It is the same password we set when creating VTH account. Select the local time zone to continue. Step 3. Press call. Press call the MSS. Call will be received from the MSS. Press to answer.
Hello?